Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Volvo XC40 automatic. First, ensure your gear selector is in park. Then, firmly press the brake pedal and push the start/stop button to ignite the engine. Before moving, take a moment to adjust your seat, steering wheel, and mirrors. Proper positioning ensures both comfort and excellent visibility, which are crucial for a safe and enjoyable driving experience in your XC40. Once the engine is running, select Drive for forward motion or Reverse for backing up. The XC40 offers different drive modes, such as Eco, Comfort, and Dynamic, which you can choose based on your driving preferences or road conditions. The automatic transmission handles all gear changes seamlessly, allowing you to focus entirely on the road ahead. This makes for a very relaxed and efficient driving experience. When you're ready to park, shift into park and engage the parking brake. The XC40 is equipped with helpful features like a rear-view camera and parking sensors, making tight maneuvers much easier and safer. Take time to familiarize yourself with other advanced safety systems, such as lane keeping assist and collision avoidance, which are designed to protect you and your passengers on every journey. For a truly enjoyable ride, practice smooth acceleration and gentle braking. This not only enhances comfort, but also improves fuel efficiency. Remember to regularly check your tire pressure and essential fluid levels to keep your XC40 performing at its best. Also, for some great deals and the link to those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty, be sure to check out the description below this video. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.